Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we actually have 5 unboxings for you, and I'm really looking forward to doing today's video because every single piece is slightly different and they're all very interesting unboxings. So let's get straight into it. This is unboxing number 1, unboxing number 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's get them all back off the screen and let's start with this one first. Now these are all very different unboxings. They're not all precious metals, but they are all relevant to the channel. Now this one here is all the way from the US, and I want to thank Gas Stacker for helping me pick these up. I actually found them on Etsy and the shipping was only available to the US. I couldn't actually get them shipped to the UK. So I messaged Gas Stacker, Mr. Kiwi, some of you might know him as, on Stacker Social, and I said, would you mind picking these up for me and shipping them over? And I'll obviously refund you all the costs that you incur along the way. And he very kindly said you'd be happy to do that. So thank you very much, Mr. Kiwi, for doing this for me, because I think these are really, really going to help Silverpunk in his latest venture. But let's get straight into it and show you what we have. Really nicely packaged. Got some more packaging in there. I think that's everything. Set this packaging. Yeah. What have we got here? This is just the invoice. I'll take that out of the way. Really nicely packaged. And let me show you what we have picked up here. Now, as you can see, these are some miniature buffalo bisons, and I think, do you know what, Silverpunk has tried and he's failed a couple of times now. So to make things a little bit more easier, I'm going to send one of these across Silverpunk, and let's go for a 1/4 ounce silver buffalo instead. No, I'm only joking, but I found these on Etsy and I thought they looked really, really cool. Something a little bit different to put in the backdrop of my videos. And I thought, you know what, these would actually look really good when I'm filming closer up videos, because you could sit one of these on a coin. Let me grab, what coins we use. It would be great if I had a buffalo round. I think we actually do. This is the giveaway chest. And we've actually got a couple of items in here at the moment. We've got these that take the coin 100% over that I still need to get over to TSC. They need to give away on a stack chat. And I've got this piece here that will be given away soon on Stacker Social. I think Cy the Soundman very kindly donated this for the pot. But I just thought it'd be really cool to have videos in the future where I'm zoomed in closely on coins and you have an actual buffalo sitting on top of the coins. I just thought it would look really different and a nice effect. So that's why I picked those up. But yeah, Silverpunk, reach out, let me know if you think one of these would be a little bit easier to do. I mean, you could literally try and sandcast 10 of these at one time. Really cool little pieces. So yeah, like I said, they're basically just been picked up for my backdrop, but I thought I'd unbox them on the video because something a little bit different, and it's still relevant to precious metals with being buffaloes. But yeah, I think I've got 10 of them in total, and I said to Mr. Kiwi, take one out for yourself. So there should be 9, I'm guessing, in there. But yeah, really cool little backdrop pieces. We'll pop them over there for now. But let's move straight on to the next box, which is this one here. I've actually started pulling this one open already just to check what it was before doing today's video. Now, for those of you that have watched my previous videos, you'll know that I don't just invest in precious metals. I also invest in many different alternative investment vehicles, some more speculative plays. I've got graded comics, graded Pokemon cards, old Pog collections, old Mighty Mouse collections, all things from when I was a child basically that I've gone back and I've re-brought and I've packaged them up, put them away into storage. Nothing that I'm planning to retire on, but just a bit of an experiment just to see how well they hold their value, whether they go up in value or down in value. And I realised that after showcasing all of my Pokemon card collection and putting them back into storage, that I hadn't actually left any Pokemon cards out for me to be able to play with and appreciate and even maybe having my backdrop sometimes. So I actually went out and I brought another one. This is one that I've already got in my collection. It's one of my favourite ones. It's not one that I think is going to do really, really well over time because it's not particularly rare or anything like that. But I just really, really love the artwork on it. So that's why I decided to go out and pick up this one again. And the reason I love it so much is because it's got a Pokeball in there. It's got Pikachu in there, which is my favourite character. And all the grass and everything in the image just looks really, really cool. I love how you've got Pikachu with the Pokeball, and it's a hollow one as well. So you've got the shiny background. It's a PSA 10, so the highest grade you can get. And like I said, not a particularly rare card. I think it only cost around £30 to £35, including delivery. And not something I think is going to go up in value or anything like that. But just a really, really nice looking card. And like I said, I thought it'd be quite nice to actually have one in the hand that I can showcase, play around with, and maybe once in a while put in the backdrop of some videos. So we will do that for today. We'll pop it there. So yeah, I actually went out and bought another Pokemon card, even though my collection is pretty much done for Pokemon. I think I've definitely got more than enough to put away into storage and sit back and just see how it performs over time. I've really enjoyed recollecting Pokemon cards again, because it really brought back nostalgia and reminded me of how fun it was when I was in school. But let's move on to the next piece, and let's start getting some silver involved now, for those that are still watching. Now, I believe this is from Rio's Precious Metals. Now, Rio's Precious Metals, he has recently joined Stackers Social. He's actually got his own selling page now on Stackers Social. So for any of you familiar with his work or interested in seeing some more of his work after seeing this piece today, please do head over to Stackers Social, the Discord group. Link is in today's video description, as is it always in my video descriptions. And have a little look and see some of the pieces that he's got for sale. He makes some really, really cool pieces. And the piece that I picked up, I've actually got a 1 ounce smaller version of this. And when I saw this larger piece with the same design on it, I had to snap it up because I think it looks absolutely incredible. Really nicely packaged as well. Look at this. Now, for those of you that watched my poured silver stack reveal, you'll know that I've actually got this in a 1 ounce already. And it's kind of at the top of the design. So this is like a pressed design, I believe. And the one that I've got is more like a triangle shape. And it's just kind of the top part of this design. Whereas this is the full design. It actually says Rio's Mint on it. And I thought that was a really nice touch as well. It's nice to showcase his company and his brand. But do let me know in the comment section, have you heard of Rio's Precious Metals? I know when we did the Stackers Social live stream last night with Pit Bullion, he was saying that Rio Precious Metals, I didn't actually realise this, was one of the original pourers in the UK. So he's been around for a long time, and it really does reflect in his work. He's really perfected his craft. Now this is the COA, basically just confirming that it's made in the UK and it's 3/9 fine silver. It's not an individual COA, it's more just like a business card, but still quite nice to have. And this is the piece. Now this is, like I said, slightly over an ounce. It's 50 grams in total. 1 troy ounce is just over 31 grams, and this is 50 grams. So not quite 2 ounces, but slightly over an ounce. And it feels absolutely incredible in the hand. Really, really nice finish. All the edges look really, really nice. And on the back you have his logo, Rio's Precious Metals, 50 grams, 3/9 fine silver. And even the back of this bar looks absolutely incredible. Some of the poured pieces don't have much going on the back. Whereas this one, even if the bar was just like this is a great piece in itself. But like I said, when you flip it round, you've got this design here. The skeleton holding the ace of spades. Look at that. Absolutely incredible design. Really, really nice looking bar. And a great addition to add to my poured silver collection. So like I said, if you're interested in seeing some more of his work, please do head over to Stackers Social. Have a look for his room on there. He's got his own selling room on there. And he posts some really, really cool pieces. And I really like this little bag that's coming as well. I'm actually going to leave it in this bag for now, until I move this over to my poured silver setup. But again, we'll leave that in the backdrop of today's video. So thank you very much, Rio, for getting that over so quickly. I literally paid for it, and the very next day, I think it was the very next day, yeah, it's either the very next day or the day after it arrived. So really quickly sent out as well. So I really appreciate that. Let's move on to piece number 3. Now this is from Tech the Coin Hunter, and I know that because it says his initials and everything on there. And see what we've got. Now I've got a little idea what we've got in here because I've seen a few people showcasing their mail calls on Stackers Social, and it's a really cool goodie bag that Tech the Coin Hunter has put together. I believe that Tech the Coin Hunter is planning on releasing the YouTube channel soon, their dedicated silver stacking YouTube channel, so everyone keep your eyes peeled for that. But you can see he's got his logo here, TTCH, which stands for Tech the Coin Hunter. You've also got a branded pen, and that looks really classy, really nice looking pen. It's got a really nice feel to it, really like that. Tech the Coin Hunter, very nice indeed. I can add that to my pen collection. I've got a Cardiff Gold one over here. I think I've got these scattered all around my house now, so really cool to have another one in the collection. And what do we have in here? This is a nice felt bag. Oh, this is cool. Right, so we've got 2 pieces here. We've got the bottle opener, and this isn't really going to come in handy for me because I don't really drink, so that's not going to come in handy. No, I'm only joking. I do like a beer or two when I'm relaxing at a weekend, so thank you very much. That'll come in handy. And we've also got a magnet attached here. Now this will come in very handy for checking your silver coins. So if you've got a piece and you use this and it picks up with it, then that means that it's not real silver. So this is very handy and quick way to identify if something is not real silver or not. So thank you very much, Tech, for that. That is really cool. And also there's something else I can fit in here as well. We have a fridge magnet. Again, it's got Tech the Coin Hunter logo on there. Is it a fridge magnet or is it a sticker? No, I think it's a fridge magnet. So yeah, that's really cool as well. So thank you very much, my friend. What a great little goodie bag. And you definitely need to start a regular channel where you upload your journey. Tech the Coin Hunter has recently been picking up the salmon 50p's. And I've said to him today, actually, this morning on Discord, that it'd be really interesting to document that journey and let us know how many you pick up, where you pick them up, the prices you paid, and how much you sold them for if you flipped any of them. So, yeah, do also give him some encouragement in today's comment section. Let's get another UK stacking channel out there. But yeah, thank you very much, Tech. Really appreciate the goodie bag there. And again, we'll pop that over the back. Right, that moves us on to what have we got left. We've got, I think there's 1 piece left now, haven't we? Have I done 4 already? Yeah, I think we've done 4 already. So this leaves the 5th and final piece in today's video. And I can't actually remember what this one is. So this is a bit of a surprise for myself as well. We've got, straight away, as soon as I saw Sai's name at the bottom there, I remembered what this is. 365, feast your eyes on this absolute beauty. Enjoy, Sai. Now, Sai found these. I don't know, I can't remember exactly where he saw these for sale. And he reached out and he said, I've picked up myself one. It's definitely something that I think you would like in your collection. Would you like me to grab you one? And as soon as he showed me this piece, I was like, absolutely. I said, can you grab me 2? I thought I'd get 2. One that I can put in deep storage away in my long-term stack, and one that I can keep laying around in my backdrop to show in future videos, because it really is a stunning, unique looking piece that I haven't seen before. So let's get straight into it. Thank you very much, Sai, for picking these up and shipping these out for me. I really appreciate it. And again, thanks for reaching out and thinking of me when you saw these, because these are really cool. Now, I don't know if Sai's uploaded his video already. I'm a little bit behind on YouTube uploads, so Sai might have actually already showcased this on his channel, because Sai actually picked one up for himself. Wow, I really like these little boxes. I expected them to come in slightly bigger boxes for some reason, but I quite like the fact they're in more minimalistic boxes. But as you can see, it is a poker chip edition of the Mexican Libertad. Look how cool that looks. So I believe these are a fairly low mintage. Let's have a little look on the back here. So yeah, only 500 of these were made. This is number 481. And this is number 480. So you can see quite a low mintage for what I think will turn into a very popular piece in the community, in the stacking community. Everyone really likes their poker chips. There's a lot of channels that have got their poker chips. Poker chips is definitely the up and coming thing that people are getting involved with if you have a channel here on YouTube. So I think it's very relevant to the stacking community. I recently showcased another poker chip piece of silver. So this will be my second piece of silver designed like a poker chip. Look at that piece. Absolutely incredible. I love the black background against the silver. Looks really nice. And I'm going to have to take it out of the capture one eye to show you it closer up without the glare. I should really be putting gloves on for this piece, but I'm going to hold it by the edges. Wow, that feels so good. It feels so nice because you've got the silver edge as well, so you can still feel the coldness of the silver. But look at that piece. What a truly stunning piece. So it's basically a normal Libertad coin that has been colorized. So it's the same as the piece that I've got over the back here. This is how the coin would start off when it comes straight from the mint, from the Mexican mint. A normal silver. This is their country's bullion coin. Really nice looking coin, and it's basically been colorized to look like this. But what a fantastic job the person or company that has produced this has done. Really nice. Look at that. A silver Libertad poker chip. On this side, really nicely finished as well. Absolutely incredible. Now, I'm not a massive fan of colorized silver. I probably only have, I would say, 20 pieces in my whole entire stack that are colorized, because I do really like the color of silver. But every now and then you see a piece like this that pops up, and the way it's been produced and finished just looks really incredible. And it's a really unusual looking piece. The way that it's an original coin that's been made to look like something else, I think, is really clever. But yeah, absolutely stunning piece. So again, thank you very much, Si, for reaching out and picking me these up. Like I said, one of them I'll keep knocking around for me to showcase in videos. The other one will definitely be going into deep storage, because I don't necessarily think it's going to go up in value massively, but I do think a piece like this will quite easily hold its premium, just because it's quite a sought after piece. And like I said, a lot of people in the community really like a poker chip. But you can see on the back there, there's all the stats. Colorized edition, limited to 500 pieces, 3 nines fine, 40mm diameter. Year is 2023. Country of issue is Mexico. Just a really nice looking box as well. Nice and simple. I like how you've got the poker chip design at the back, behind in the background as well. And I love the flip that it's come in. Slides in really easily. What a stunning little piece. So yeah, really cool little pickup there. So we've got a few bits of silver today in today's video. Something a little bit different with the Pokemon card, and also some really cool merch. So thank you again, everyone that sent me things over. We've also got the buffaloes as well. I forgot about those. Pop those there. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Please comment, share, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I hope you all have a very nice day.